This 2025 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Roost 43 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 9 inches in length and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Roost 43 is 16,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.